could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. I was going through my drawers and then my eyes catch this palette, which is the Natasha Denona Gold palette. As far as I know, I have only used it once before, so I felt like for today I wanted to do another look using this palette since it's so freaking beautiful. And this is the look that I made. I kind of blended up my eyeshadow higher than I normally do. I really blended up the shades like into my eyebrow, which I really like. It gives it more of a even more smoked out look, but like in a really subtle way, and I really like it. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna show you this whole complete makeup look, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, like always, is priming my eyelids, and I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm applying this all over my eyelid using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply it. I feel like it doesn't really make it look strokey. It just applies it really evenly. So like I said in my intro, today I'm gonna play with this gorgeous gold palette from Natasha Denona. I'm starting with this really light neutral brown color, and I'm gonna blend it all over my crease to warm it up. Then now for the next color, I'm gonna take a shade which is slightly darker, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna blend this all over my crease to warm it up, but also to darken up it a bit more. And as you can see in my outer V area, I created a sort of winged shape. I didn't want it to do like a round shape today because I feel like I have done that so many times, and lately I'm really liking this more winged outer end of my outer V. I think it just looks really beautiful, and I'm just really into it lately. Let me know what kind of shaped eye look you prefer. Do you like more of a round shaped, or do you like it more like I'm doing today? So now I went in with an even more darker color, and I'm gonna blend this mainly at the outer V area to really darken up like this area of my eyelid. And then I went in with a little bit of concealer and blended that around the outer V area to kind of clean it up. Then now I'm taking this durable eyeshadow from Makeup Studio, which is in a beautiful golden color. And I took a really tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna blend this all over the eyelid. And I am going in with like eyeshadows on the eyelid, but I feel like using this as a base will make the eyeshadows a little bit more pigmented. And if you use a golden base underneath other golden eyeshadows, it will kind of, I feel like, make it a little bit more pigmented, especially if you apply it and the eyeshadow is still a little bit sticky, and then you apply the eyeshadow on top of it, it kind of gets sticked into the cream eyeshadow, and this way it will be more long wearing and I feel like more pigmented. So you can definitely try that out. If you have like a cream eyeshadow, use it underneath your powder eyeshadow and it will make it look more pigmented. So now I'm taking this light color, which I don't even know, it's like a really transparent eyeshadow, but it has a beautiful sparkle, so I use that for the inner corner. And then now for the middle part of my eyelid, I'm taking this more yellowy golden color. It's a little bit more yellow than the base underneath, and I'm gonna use that for the middle part of my eyelid. And I think this is such a gorgeous color. I feel like it looks so beautiful on so many skin colors. I think it's really beautiful. Then now for my eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite eyeliner from drugstore brands. And I'm using that to create a line above the lash line. and also a really subtle wing, but almost you can't really see it. It kind of disappears in the outer V. And then I went in with a dark brown color, and I'm gonna press this underneath the lower lash line using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty. This is like a really flat brush, so you can create like a really nice precise line underneath the lower lash line. And then to blend it out, I'm gonna take this brown color, which we used earlier for the crease as well. I'm just gonna use a tiny pencil brush and blending my brush back and forth to really smudge out the lower lash line. Then now for my waterline, I'm taking this pencil from Morphe brushes, which is in the color Vibes, which is one of my favorite pencils for in the waterline because I feel like it definitely makes my eye color stand out a little bit more. If you have like green eyes or blue eyes, or maybe it will even look beautiful on brown eyes, you should definitely check out this pencil. It's super affordable and I use it almost every day. And now for my lashes, I'm gonna use these fake eyelashes from Tarte Cosmetics, and then the eye look is already almost finished. For those who wonder, I always use some lash glue from House of Lashes. I honestly think it's one of the best and it just makes your lashes stay in place perfectly. And then here you have the finished result of the eyes. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Let me know in the comments if you are gonna try to recreate this eye look. I would really love to see it, so don't forget to post it on your Instagram. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!